Hi, and welcome to the RayV Broadcaster. We're going to get you up and running within the next 3 minutes. The first thing we have to do to start our broadcast is select our sources. What are sources? Sources are any live camera, recorded video file, or remote stream that you want to use to create your broadcast. To add a source, simply click the Sources tab at the top of the broadcaster screen and select Add Source from the panel on the left. Here you can choose either a camera, which is any live source connected directly to your computer through FireWire, USB, or the video card. It can be a pre-recorded video file, or even another web video stream. We're going to add a recorded file. I browse to find my file, select it, give it a name, and finish. And the file is then added to my available sources. Let's go back to the control room by clicking on the Control Room tab at the top of the screen. The first thing I need to do is load my sources into any of the available 6 control slots. To do so, I simply click the Load button, select the source from my list of available sources, click the Load button, and the source pops up in that window. I can add my webcam the same way by loading it as a source into one of the available slots. I can preview any of my sources by clicking the Preview button above each source. To begin my broadcast, I click the On Air button on the right side of the screen. The video playing below is the live return showing you what's being broadcast. I click the Live button above the source I want to take live. It immediately begins to play. To switch sources, simply click the Live button on a different source. The new source begins to play in the old one's place. If you would like to manage more than 6 sources, or if you'd like to have them playing in an automatic loop, you can create a playlist. To create a playlist, click on the Playlist tab at the top of the screen. Click the Add Playlist button in the left column and give your playlist a name. You can drag in any of your sources, organize them, even loop the entire playlist by checking the repeat box at the bottom of the playlist. When I save my playlist, it is added to my sources, and I can then load it into the control room just as I would any other source. It's just that simple. And by the way, you can view your broadcast at yourchannelname.rayv.com.